Hey guys, it's James. So we are at Red Robin today, and I'm going to talk about how I went from making $3 tips to doing over 3,000 flips. You know, I was working here at 19. I was a senior in college. I was doing what most young people do, and that's, getting a job in the hospitality business. I was serving people their bottomless fries, their refills, their ranch. I was doing my happy birthday songs. I probably sung countless amounts, at least 5,000 times of this happy birthday songs. And the one thing I knew was this was a short-term thing, and this was something that wanted to be temporary. I did not want to be serving people their chili, their sandwiches for the rest of my life. And where my big transition is when I was a senior in college, I was working here, I made my first big step into real estate, and that was wholesaling. And that's where I went to work for a local real estate company. I went out door knocking. I had no idea what I was doing. They gave me a stack of leads and say, hey, go out and talk to these people and convince them to sell the house to us. So during that time, I was out grinding, knocking on doors, not doing well, getting them slammed in my face, and I managed to make $0 in my first year. So places like working at Red Robin are actually a good thing to do as you're transitioning to real estate. I would work here Monday through Sunday, 30 hours a week, just to pay my bills. And then I would knock doors Monday through Friday and hit 30 to 40 doors a day just to get that first deal done. Hello. Hey, how are you?
Good.
Once I finally started educating myself, working with a mentor, and kind of figuring out actually what I needed to be saying and what I needed to be doing, that's where my wholesaling business took off, and I was able to quit my full-time employment at Red Robin and make my big first step into real estate. Now, since there, fast forward 20 years later, I've gone from being a wholesaler where I was just out finding good deals for people to not only do I do wholesaling now, we have multiple businesses, from a brokerage that is full service that has sourced over 3,000 properties to local investors. We have a lending business that finances investors cash on any kind of fix and flip or any kind of real estate investment. And not only that, we flip and develop over 100 to 200 units a year. So we've gone from knocking doors to being one of the largest real estate acquisition companies in the local Pacific Northwest. So getting started in a place like Red Robin or wherever it's going to be is great, right? You get to learn how to take care of people, you get your start, but don't be afraid to make that next move. Take the step out, start banging on your door and getting yourself going on real estate.